How to fix cannot connect to App Store error on iPhone. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is give a fresh restart to your iPhone. For that, launch your settings, scroll down, navigate to the option of General, head over to the option of Shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. Once you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and then turn it back. Next up, what you have to do is check date and time. For that, click on the option of date and time. Enable for the option of set automatically. Likewise, head back, click on the option of software update. If any updates are available for your device, just update your phone software to its latest version. Next up, head back, go to the main page of settings, click on your Apple ID, click on the option of sign out, provide your Apple ID password and then click on turn off. Once you sign out of your Apple ID, wait for a few minutes and then again sign in back to your account. Next up, what you have to do is scroll down. Next up, open this option of Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network, give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Likewise, head back, click on the option of cellular. In the case you use cellular, enable for the option of App Store over here. Likewise, you can switch between networks. If you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi, and in the case you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data. Now, head back, scroll down, navigate to the option of General, head over to the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset Network Settings. Now enter your phone's passcode over here and continue with the process. By applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix cannot connect to App Store error on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.